Let the word to the wise be efficient. I'm telling you now, you do not want to miss out on this next crypto bull run. And I'm talking to the culture. I'm talking to the people on the sidelines, my people that continue to just focus on materialistic things and not the goal at hand, which is ownership, assets. Just think about the whole theme of this bull run, right? It's ownership, right? Even when we think about the gaming narrative, it's ownership. RWAs. It's all about ownership, tokenization. We just got another Fed pause from J Powell. And historically speaking, right? Whenever the Fed pauses 2 times in a row, we've never went back to federal rate cuts. So I want to just put that out there. I don't want you to mess this up. A lot of people will miss out on the greatest bull run of all time. And it's not because you guys are stubborn, it's just not having the knowledge. So thank you for being on this channel where we share knowledge each and every day on cryptocurrency. But it's just bigger than cryptocurrency, because what we're seeing, family, is we're seeing a wealth transfer, right? A wealth transfer. Galaxy Digital and I believe Invesco on the DTCC website just got their tickers for the Bitcoin spot ETF quietly. That's 4 companies that already have their ticker for the spot ETF. I put a post on X. That's why you got to follow me on X, where I explained from some of the research and reading that I was doing, that just easily when the spot ETFs get approved, we can see Bitcoin fly from where it's at right now, 35,000, to the heights of 73,000 in a matter of months. What do you think your altcoins are going to be? Where do you think some of your assets are going to be? And where do you think your cash is going to be if you're on the sidelines? Well, I hate to, your cash is going to be in the same place it's always been. If you ain't spend it, it's just going to be worth the same amount. But Bitcoin, crypto, seems to be the asset right now that's appreciating. And as we get closer to a recession and more unemployment, the Fed will be forced to turn on the money printer. And what did we learn about the bull run last time around? When the Fed turns on the money printer and we get in that environment of quantitative easing, when we get in that environment of quantitative easing, well, family, that's when the ball game changes. But the time is now to start building your portfolio. Who waits to Q&E to build a portfolio when projects are already up 50, 75, in some cases 100%? Don't listen to a lot of these YouTubers that say, oh, altcoins are getting wrecked. Yeah, the main ones, but there's altcoins that's been 10x and 20x and in some cases 100x in the crypto bear market, right? So every time your crypto or the one you're watching goes up a penny, goes up a cent, goes up $1, that's taken away from your opportunity to get a 100x. Now, of course, crypto, we got to be safe. We just seen that the Safe Moon developers got arrested. Salute to that, because I'm tired of the scams in crypto. But it's still the wild, wild west. We still need regulation. We still need compliance. And when we finally do get that regulation and compliance, will crypto ever be the same as far as volatility and 100x gains? So there's a conversation to be had that this might be the last and the most important crypto bull run of your life. And if you're 30 plus, I mean, we're talking about stocks, crypto, and just assets, right? They've been going up for most of our lives. Well, there's going to be a correction, and when the correction hits the entire stock market, we're talking about a correction that's probably going to last about 5 years. So in my opinion, you can't mess this up. I keep saying it, but you can't mess this up. We got to get this right, man. We got to get this right, because this could not only change the direction of your personal life, but your generations and family name, to come, right? This could be something that really change the direction of whatever you're working to accomplish as far as your family name. So I'm saying that to say this, right? Man, I know crypto can be a little bit of frustration. I get it. I get frustrated too, right? I get frustrated all the time. But we cannot lose sight at the goal at hand, right? and that's financial freedom. It's not even about money or wealth at this time. It's about freedom. And right now, family, there is a war on our freedom from a financial standpoint, and this is the opportunity to finally change that. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? There's new narratives, there's new cryptos, it's new projects each and every day. It's new opportunities each and every day. What are you going to do? Well, today you got an opportunity to change that. We got another pause. We're one step closer to the bull run, right? We know the halving cycle is on the way. Another catalyst is these spot ETFs I just talked about. 2 more just got their ticker. How many tickers got to happen before you say, oh, now is the time? And again, I'm not your financial advisor. They work at the bank, okay? I don't do that. But I mean, this is kind of like common sense at this point. I mean, it seems like Bitcoin and altcoins is the easiest trade in America right now when you think about the fact that the spot ETFs look like they will happen, and they're probably going to happen very soon. So I don't know how Q4 is going to be. I'm not here to predict that. I'm just giving you guys a honest, take on this FOMC meeting that we just had. And this is big. This is big. Another pause, 2 pauses in a row. In my opinion, that's big. Just go look at history. We never went back to federal rate hikes when we had 2 pauses in a row. So I don't know. I'm just saying. So be looking for QE, quantitative easing. Be looking for the Bitcoin spot ETF. We know we got the halving, right? And now, I think that's it. Bitcoin ETF, halving, and quantitative easing. Well, that's it. That's what we're waiting for. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the FOMC meeting. J Powell, are you bearish or bullish? We know unemployment is coming. We know recession is coming. Are you bearish or are you bullish? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think the federal rate hikes are over, or do you think that J Powell is just bluffing and we could possibly get one maybe next month or January? I want to know everybody's opinions, man. What are you still waiting here for? Go in the comments, leave your opinion. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you next one.